Hey guys, welcome back to Beautiful Mess. My name is Gretchen and I am so glad that you're here today. Today's video is a makeover of my sister's laundry room space. So it's a very small room. It's a laundry room closet. She doesn't want to call it a closet, but it is a closet. So it's a laundry room closet and she just really needed some help with some organization and just getting some things in order in there. She wanted a space where she could be inspired. Now she does live in an apartment, so you can't really do too much as far as painting and doing too much of that stuff, but it's amazing what you can do to a space just by decluttering it, cleaning it up, and giving it some organization. Really, just that organization part makes it function and really changes the space around. So we actually tackled this space on a budget because as much as she wanted to get organized, she did not want to break the bank doing it. So I said, let's go to the Dollar Tree, get the baskets, because I knew that was where we were going to find the baskets at a reasonable price, because you cannot beat $1, and most of the time when I'm organizing, I get my baskets at the Dollar Tree. And there were a few things that we couldn't find at the Dollar Tree that we did go to Ross, and we also went to Marshall's. So pretty much we did this space for under $50, which I think was amazing because the sign that my sister got for this laundry room, we got at Kirkland's. And I'll tell you more about that later. But I am a fan for making things look beautiful and doing it on a budget.
Hey, happy Earth Day. And a sock. And a bottle top.
When your kid used to drink a bottle?
There's no babies in this house.
So this tray was pretty much my favorite thing aside from the sign about this makeover. I just loved how it came together on top of the drying machine and how it is functional and it is beautiful and it really works for my sister. So we found these hooks that are kind of like clamps, and you set them on the wall and they hold on to the mop and the broom. So these are from the Command brand, from the Command Hooks brand, and I thought this was just perfect for a small space. My sister came across these while we were roaming around Target, and she stopped and she was like, this would be perfect for my laundry room. And to top it off, she did a great job of putting them up. And this sign, just to give you a little bit of a backstory on this sign, we walked into Kirkland's. She was really looking for a sign that she could use for her laundry room, and we ended up finding this 50% off at Kirkland, so it was such a steal. So I don't think she had touched this space as far as organization goes since she moved in. She was just so overwhelmed. She had no idea what to do with it. I really love how everything turned out, and everything has a place where it can go. She has a basket for the cleaners that she uses for the bathrooms. She's got, you can see, she's got light bulbs in here, bug spray, whatever she may need in that basket. And then we set her iron in a basket because she's got a steamer, so she doesn't use her iron too much. And then on the bottom, she's got a basket of cleaners that she would access on a more daily basis. She has a basket for all of her reusable grocery bags, so now she can just easily access that there and throw them in when she's done. And then over in this basket, she's got her extra softener sheets and her extra Swiffer refills. Now, this was what the other side looked like, and we got rid of so much stuff. I am so proud of her. She decluttered so many things from this small laundry room closet. This side didn't have too many things. She's got her lantern and her flashlights in one basket, and the other 3 baskets are empty. So it gives her room to grow in there. And then the bottom 2 baskets have dish towels, seasonal dish towels, and things that she may need in the kitchen. And then her other basket has kind of like all her Norwex overflow stuff that she doesn't use on a daily basis. And this is by far my favorite spot of the laundry room. I just think it looks so beautiful, and it's functional at the same time. She keeps her Tide Pods, her detergent, and her liquid soap. She has her Norwex cloth that she uses on a daily basis, and that's inside of a little Dollar Tree basket. And then she also has her dryer sheets. So I think everything that she would normally use on a daily basis is just within reach, and at the same time it is presented in a really beautiful way. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and maybe you got some inspiration out of this and you were just inspired to maybe fix up your laundry room or a space that you want to declutter in your home. I really do believe that something as simple as decluttering and cleaning and organizing your space makes it so much more enjoyable to get daily tasks done. I'm also going to go ahead and link for you guys up in the cards right above my Dollar Tree pantry organization video, and that small pantry was also my sister's. So if you'd like to go ahead and check that out, I'll leave that right there. If you enjoyed this video, please leave me a thumbs up so that I know that you guys enjoyed it. It really does help out my channel when you guys hit that like button. And also, if you're new, I hope you'll consider subscribing and sticking around for future videos. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Beautiful Gretchen. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Take care, guys.